everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So as you know, I was for a short vacation in Mumbai and Pune, and after finishing my shopping and everything, I had one more day with me. My friend suggested me to visit Lavasa, and trust me guys, it was really one of the best advices I ever got. Lavasa is a beautiful place. I was so happy when I visited it. The lake, the mountains, shopping complexes, sitting up areas, everything was just wow. I mean, everything was like totally perfect. If you want to run away from the city madness or you're bored of your like regular work, Lavasa is a perfect holiday destination. I was there for just half of the day, but you won't mind even spending a night there. The feeling of waking up there is what you would remember for the rest of your life, like literally. You can even hire a bicycle and take a round around this beautiful place. And guess what? You also have they have double seated cycles as well. So my overall experience of Lavasa was just great. I can go there anytime. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and do follow me on Instagram as well. Links are in the description box. See you in the next video.